Welcome back. Now we can serve images directly from our Amazon S3 account into our posts and pages in WordPress. It's a very simple process. All we'll need to do is we'll need to click Add Media. When we get there, what you'll notice is that we can then insert with a URL. We'll click Insert from URL. That means then that we'll need a URL from our Amazon S3 account. Now, to grab the images, you do want to make sure that you have read access to those images. We'll then click OK. We'll then click inside of the image folder. We'll grab the image, and what we're going to do is we're going to grab the web URL. We're then going to copy it to the clipboard, and then we're going to head back to our WordPress installation. And then we're going to insert that URL in this space. We're then going to click Insert into Post once we have created all of the identifying information. And you'll notice the familiar HTML code for image sourcing. So all we'll need to do now is click Update. And we can then view our post with our image. And we'll see our image in our post. So you can also serve your image directly from your Amazon S3 account. Once again, as long as you have the URL and as long as you have the extension ready to be served. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.